Ever wondered if Asana, that sleek project management tool, is a student's best friend or just a fancy mirage? Well, let's dive in and find out. Imagine having a digital organizer that's not just efficient but also free. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you it's not? Asana, for those who are new to the party, is a popular project management tool used by teams and individuals alike. It's known for its clean interface, task management features, and collaboration tools. But is it really free for students, or is it just a marketing ploy? The free trial myth. Let's start by debunking a common misconception. Many people assume that Asana offers a free trial for students. While it's true that Asana does have a free trial, it's not exclusive to students. Anyone can sign up for a free trial to test out the platform's features. The premium plan. A student's dilemma. So, if the free trial isn't specifically for students, how can students benefit from Asana without breaking the bank? Well, the answer lies in Asana's premium plans. The premium plans. Asana offers several premium plans, each with its own set of features and pricing. While the basic plan is free, it comes with limitations. To unlock the full potential of Asana, students often need to consider upgrading to a premium plan. The premium plan benefits. The premium plans offer a range of benefits that can be invaluable for students. These include unlimited tasks and projects. No more worrying about running out of space to organize your assignments. Advanced search and filtering. Easily find what you need when you need it. Customizable workflows. Create workflows that perfectly suit your study style. Team collaboration features. Work seamlessly with your classmates on group projects. Integration with other tools. Connect Asana to your favorite apps, like Google Calendar and Dropbox. The cost factor. While the premium plans offer a plethora of benefits, they do come with a price tag. The cost can vary depending on the plan you choose and the number of team members you need to include. Student discounts. Fortunately, Asana recognizes the unique needs of students and offers discounts on its premium plans. These discounts can make it more affordable for students to access the full suite of Asana features. How to get a student discount? To get a student discount on Asana, you'll typically need to verify your student status. This can often be done by providing proof of enrollment, such as a student ID or a letter from your institution. The verdict. Is Asana free for students? So, to answer the original question, is Asana free for students? Technically, yes, there is a free plan. However, to fully leverage Asana's capabilities and enjoy all its benefits, students may need to consider upgrading to a premium plan. Tips for students using Asana. Here are a few tips for students using Asana. Start small. Begin by creating a few basic projects to get familiar with the platform. Use templates. Asana offers a variety of templates that can help you get started quickly. Set realistic deadlines. Avoid overwhelming yourself by setting achievable deadlines. Utilize the search function. Take advantage of Asana's powerful search function to find what you need. Experiment with different views. Try out different views such as list, board, and calendar to find the one that works best for you. Asana can be a valuable tool for students who want to stay organized and efficient. While it may not be entirely free, the student discounts and benefits it offers can make it a worthwhile investment. So, if you're a student looking for a way to streamline your workload and improve your productivity, consider giving Asana a try. You might just discover your new favorite study companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.